Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the calculator app and confirming you're in the correct orientation. If you need basic math, keep the phone upright. Once done, rotate to access scientific keys for trig and exponents. Make sure to clear any previous entries with C or swipe to delete a single digit. This prevents input errors. You're now positioned to enter your first calculation accurately, so type numbers deliberately and watch the display for immediate feedback. Continue by composing complex expressions step by step, because calculator evaluates left to right unless you use parentheses. This ensures correct order of operations. In scientific mode, you can access functions like sin, log, and xy. Press the function, then the number so results apply correctly. Once you've combined several operations, tap equals to lock an interim result, then continue with new operators. Make sure to double-check the display after each function so you catch input mistakes early. To finish, review your final number on the display, and if needed, press and hold to copy it for pasting into notes or messages. Once done, you can share results via the share sheet in supported contexts. If a digit was wrong, swipe to delete or hit C to reset and start over. This saves time versus retyping long expressions. If the app freezes or behaves oddly, restart calculator or update iOS. This resolves most glitches and preserves accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.